Yo, what's up guys, welcome back to the channel, and today I'm going to show you how to use Moneylin's home equity loan calculator. Let's get straight into it. So the calculator allows you to estimate the amount of money that you can borrow using the equity in your home, and here's a step-by-step guide on how to do that. So first step is to log into your Moneyline account using your username, email address and password. And then once you're logged in, you want to navigate to the mortgage section by clicking on the mortgage tab. Next, just click on home equity loan calculator and enter your home equity information, and you can view the estimated home equity loan amount and of course the terms, and just use the home equity loan calculator to determine the best home equity loan option for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it on how to use Moneyline's home equity loan calculator. Hope you guys liked the video. Hope you found the information useful enough. If you did like the video, comment down below, let me know what you thought. Share the video with your friends and subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already. And I will see you guys in the next one. Peace.